Imagine waking up in an America where water is strictly controlled by a tech-powered regime. Access is limited, and even rain collection is monitored. In this world, knowing how to purify water could be the difference between survival and disaster. Start with the basics. Boiling. It's the most reliable way to kill pathogens. Bring water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute. But what if fuel is scarce? Solar stills are a game changer. Dig a pit, place a container in the center, cover with plastic, and let the sun condense clean water into your cup. For urban survivors, improvised filtration is key. Layer sand, charcoal from a fire, and gravel in a bottle. Pour water through for basic filtration. Pair with iodine tablets or a drop of unscented bleach per liter to disinfect further. Always avoid water near industrial sites. Chemical contamination is harder to remove. In a world where technology both oppresses and empowers, these simple techniques could keep you one step ahead. Disclaimer: this series is a work of speculative fiction and is meant for entertainment and thought-provoking discussion only. Join us every day as we unravel the complexities of a potential future, encouraging dialogue on power, technology, and survival. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Prepare yourself for a journey into a world where the boundaries of reality and dystopia blur. Are you ready to survive?